Well, to say I was gutted was an understatement. I especially got up early to film day 16 as I was going to be riding through the popular tourist spot of Todger Gorge and wanted to see it without all the tourists and the market stalls. It really was a stunning place to ride through, but unfortunately the GoPro decided to have a hissy fit. Anyway, nothing I can do about it now, so I'll see you all after the intro. Welcome to Spinning Wheels. Unfortunately, due to the GoPro not working properly, day 16 was a video write-off. So even though there was no usable footage, I still did leave Tamtouche and arrive in Ouarzazate. Now it was a planned short day, just taking in Todger Gorge, then heading for Ouarzazate to chill out and recharge after a very challenging day 15. If you haven't seen that, click on the link above or in the description below. So, now I've explained all of that, normal service can resume. So here we go then. Day 17, part 1. Oh yes, this is another multi-part day of my 6-week solo motorcycle tour of Morocco. As always, I'm on board Klaus, my trusty 2011 BMW 1200 GS Adventure. In this video, we depart Ouarzazate and head towards Zagora in the Sahara region. Now this route was put together using the Morocco Overland book by Chris Scott and the Moroccan Michelin map. Even though I was still gutted about the GoPro not working properly and not being able to get some fantastic footage of Todger Gorge, today certainly made up for it. Now, if you're new to the channel, welcome, and want to watch the tour from the very beginning, click on the link above or in the description below. Right, now it's time to let Klaus do some talking. Enjoy. Well, after my off-road escapades on day 15, my confidence really did take a knock. However, I felt a lot more confident and relaxed on this section today, and I am looking forward to tackling other off-road tracks I have planned further into the trip. Yes, you can actually hear me talking to Klaus. He keeps me sane and he keeps me out of trouble. Just. fantastic road to finish the video on. The views were absolutely stunning. There's definitely more of that to come. So even though day 16 video wise was an absolute disaster, today definitely made up for that. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please consider hitting the like and subscribe buttons, and I look forward to seeing you all again on Spinning Wheels. And as always, remember, every ride is an adventure.